Hi everybody, welcome to O Kitchen PH. For today's recipe, we will make raw bitter gourd salad. To make the salad, we will use one medium-sized bitter gourd. I will remove the seeds and I will slice this thinly. We will use 2 large deseeded tomatoes, ground black pepper, sugar, apple cider vinegar, sesame oil, salt, lime. We will combine the lime and then the apple cider vinegar. You can also use kalamansi, 1 fresh chili, 1 medium-sized red onion, and I will combine it with white onion. This is now our bitter gourd. I already sliced this thinly. If you think the bitter gourd is too bitter for you, you can soak it in the salted water. But for me, I prefer it just as it is without soaking it in the water. Okay, this one is just okay for me. Now, add the tomatoes, the white onion, the red onion, black pepper, salt, sesame oil, vinegar, then sugar, then add the chilies, then the lime. Give it a good mix, allowing the sugar and then the salt to dissolve. You can also add a small amount of liquid seasoning. Then just mix it well. Then taste it. Add in the vinaigrette to the salad. Then mix. Cover the salad with a cling wrap. Refrigerate at least 1 hour before serving. Taste it. If you find anything helpful in this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes.